Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. We are playing Phantom Forces. Pretty fun game on Roblox. Um, yes, I did it. Okay, it's a weird thing where you can get onto the tables. Wow, guys, pretty intense gameplay. I'm gonna go the shortcut over here, where you can get there faster if you're. I've been playing this game for a while, so I know how to do it. That doesn't mean I'm good though. You usually spawn down here in the tunnels, so if somebody's respawning, they probably down here in the tunnel. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Shoot! I couldn't see him, that was scary. Whew, that was scary. Oh, I'm so trash at this game. It's really fun. These guys are. This team is getting really good. Oh, there's somebody. What? That was not very good. That was there you go. Okay, there you go. Oh, I got out on a half day. Oh, they didn't have a half day. Oh yeah, that reminds me, subscribe to my brother's channel. Link will be in the description. Down below, down here, way down here. That means they'll be spawning in from this side. Man, that scared me. 10 more minutes of gameplay for you all. Man, I am. Okay, that dude's good. I'll find him if I run this up. If I run paths. What's that? Oh, okay. Ooh, that's a pretty good gun. I like it. I don't have it though. That's the sad thing. Dang it. Ooh, I spawned on him right before. Shoot. Why am I so bad at this game? Oh, wow. That would have been a lot of free kills if I was good at the game. Man, that was like 3 or 4 people. Finally, it killed. Why was I waiting? Why did I wait? Like, what? Sue me, I'm trash, okay? Oh, that was a joke, don't sue me. That wouldn't be good. Oh, shoot. That's not good. Watch me deploy underground. See it? Oh, yeah, see? Snipers are good up here. Most of the time. Oh, wow. I thought that guy was like... I thought he was getting down to the ground.
I need to find this without the post-it. What? Do I need to
Sorry guys for the background noise.
Yeah, you can. I don't know if you've seen it. I tried to look for it, but I
Wing.
couldn't find it.
That was a good shot. Quick scope to me. It was like a quick scope.
The file cabinet. I have to remember which one it is. There were so many that I went through. I looked in Bowman, Blue, and accounting, or Deloitte.
They have a knowledge share and not inclusion rating.
I need my
Is that a file?
main weapon. I really need my
Oh, yeah,
main
both,
weapon.
yeah. The whole thing.
My favorite weapon. I have a lot of upgrades on it. I'm gonna go for one more game and then. Let's go. Dang it. That. Oh. No, come back here. Eat that. Oh, wait, what? What? He had like no health left. Well, I think that's it, guys. Good.